Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how to temporarily deactivate Instagram account in 2024. This is a step-by-step guide so you could go ahead and follow easily. So just like in all of my videos, to make things easier, we have to make sure that our Instagram application is up to date. If you're using iOS device, you could go ahead and do that inside App Store, and if you're using an Android phone, you could go ahead and do that by going through your Play Store. So right now, this is my Instagram right here, and as you could go ahead and see, there are no pending updates. And once I have confirmed that, let's go ahead and proceed with the next step. So let's go ahead and open up our application right here, and once you're here, just go ahead and click your profile icon. You could go ahead and see that right here. So I'll just go ahead and click on it. And after that, just go ahead and click on the three lines that you could go ahead and see up here. And once here, just go ahead and click Account Center. Now that you're inside Account Center, you want to go ahead and locate the account settings. And inside Account Settings, you will find your personal data. Just go ahead and click on it. And once here, you could go ahead and see for the last option that we have, Account Ownership and Control. Just go ahead and click this setting. Go ahead and click Deactivation or Deletion. Go ahead and select your account. And right here you have your few options. You have Deactivate Account and you also have Delete Account. If you want to go ahead and temporarily deactivate your account, just go ahead and select the first option. And if you want to delete your account, go ahead and choose the second option. Right after clicking on continue, you will be asked a few questions on why you are deactivating your account, and after answering those questions, you should go ahead and be able to deactivate your account temporarily. So guys, thank you for watching, and if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.